The pose is Granthimuktasana. Granthi means joints, mukta means loosening. So the pose is loosening the joints. Let's see what this pose can do for you. Now, what are the benefits of this pose? Well, just like the name, it helps to loosen the joints of the body. That means it gives that flexibility, especially loosening from what? From toxin. In conditions of accumulation of toxin in your knees, in your elbows, in the joints of the body, such as arthritic conditions or gout, this asana is perfect because it really helps to improve that mobility in those areas. Now, it strengthens our nervous system very, very much because it's a balancing pose. It balances allows us to concentrate, increases the power of being attentive, improves our meditation very much. The internal concentration is so powerful in this pose because when the body is light and healthy, the mind is able to concentrate in our meditation and do our spiritual practice. So at the same time, it strengthens our nervous system. It revitalizes this nervous system very much. This pose is really very nice for balancing, restoring our lost vitality or weaknesses of the body, to restore that power, strength internally and physically and mentally. What are the contraindications of this pose? Now, of course, if you have acute conditions of, inflammation of the joints, like ankles or knees or hips or elbows or shoulders, you should refrain from it. Let's do this pose, Granthimuktasana. Now you stand with the right foot, right leg is standing. Raise the left leg, left ankle, and try to make this left ankle reach the right nostril. I'm not reaching it, but it looks from your ankle, from your side, that I'm reaching the right nostril. You can bring it closer if you want to the right nostril and raise the left arm up. Lengthening up. About 8 seconds and release. The other side. Right ankle reaching the left nostril, right arm up. And release. Now, what are the variations you can do for this pose? Standing on the right side, left leg up. Just bring it as high that you can manage. And raise your left arm up. So it doesn't have to be next to the nose. If this is enough for you, let's do that. Just about seconds or less, and release. The other side. Again, some side will be easier than the other maybe. And release. You might want to do it next to the wall maybe, so you could stand and do it. So you adjust to what is comfortable for you to hold the position for 8 seconds or less. Another variation is to do it on the floor. You can even do it sitting. Right leg is down. You could do it sitting on the chair. The count and duration, it is 4 sets. Each time is 8 seconds. So left side, right side, 8 seconds plus 8 seconds is 1 set. You do 4 times. The pose is Granthimuktasana.